Every student that came to Weill I came for a purpose, and that is to help improve their community, their school, and not only their school and community, and probably the world in the distant future.
I thought it'd be a pretty fun experience, meeting new people, learning a lot of stuff.
I hope to gain some communication skills by connecting with various people across the state, and I want to help spread some more positive values in my school.
I hope to bring back funny enough hope. Hope that we can change our town for the better, change our school for the better.
I really want to bring back leadership because I see a lot of young people in my community maybe hesitating to step up and become leader, whether it's just like general apprehensiveness or some kind of internal fear. But I kind of want to get that out of the way and inspire people to be leaders.
I would say that this is a really good experience to open up and to really expand your boundaries.
To improve my leadership skills, be able to socialize more, that way I can teach the young ones how to be more friendly towards each other.
The workshops are pretty creative. It's nice to see how these various skill sets can tie into leadership.
We've done icebreakers. I've sat in how to conduct a good meeting, which is going to be helpful since I'm president of my school. So now I actually know how meetings work.
What makes a good leader is to actually speak up and really express yourself.
Making others around you better.
I've learned that being a leader can be able to teach anybody at any age. It can be adults, it could be teens, sometimes it could be toddlers, and the ones that are almost elders. Leaders can teach anybody.
I feel giddy sometimes, a bit tired, like from doing a lot of activities. I feel a little bit embarrassed sometimes, but overall it's really fun.
I like how we all get to know each other and all the activities we do, how fun it is. I've met pretty friendly people and people that are kind of like me, funny, creative.
It's just cool being able to meet people from all over Alaska. Like someone like Duncan, I would really look up to him because he has the courage to just go in front of all these people and just do what he does best, and that's play the drum and sing.
I've met a variety of people with very different personalities. There's funny people, there's shy people, but it's nice to know that all these people are leaders in their own way.
We are advocates of Alaska's youth and the future.